Hello, good morning students. Welcome to this class. I'm Cleeta Ma'am, your mathematics educator for KCET on Unacademy. So students, in today's class, we will be studying about mathematical reasoning. So before I start the class, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to students and do press the bell icon to keep yourself notified with all the live classes that will be happening here on the platform. So students, a daily T20, a free practice course for KCET is already live on our Plus platform. If you haven't enrolled yet, please do check for the link for the Plus classes in the description to this class and get yourself enrolled to this free test series on our platform. Apart from that, the Champions batch for KCET 2021 is also live on a platform, and this has started on 15th of October. I will be taking up mathematics classes, and along with me you will have classes of Revolves sir, Cleeta Ma'am and Bhavani Ma'am. So to get your access to the batch courses here, all that you have to do is get your Plus subscription. In the description below you will find a link to opt Plus subscription. So we have different subscriptions, right, for 1 month, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. Along with the Champions batch, you will also have the access to the different batch courses there. At present, we have the Champions batch, a batch course which is taken up specifically in Kannada language, and also a comprehensive batch, right? So go ahead, get your Plus subscription. While you're opting your Plus subscription, do not forget to use the referral code as Cleeta Live, CLEETALIVE. Using this code, students, you will get 10% off on all the prices that are mentioned there for the Plus subscription. You will also have the options for EMI. So make the best use of all these options. Learn from the top educators in and around the country and ace KCET 2021-2022 along with us in Unacademy. So students, if you're liking my classes here, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Do give me a thumbs up on this lecture if you're liking these classes, and to join me in the free classes that I will be taking up on a platform, that is the special classes. You need to follow me, and to follow me you will find a link to my profile as well given in the description. So use the link, do follow me on the Unacademy platform and keep yourself updated with a series of special classes that I will be taking up. So this evening at 8:30 p.m. I will be starting up series of classes on continuity, and starting in the morning at 8 from tomorrow there will be classes on limits concept. So do join me in the platform there. Do check out for the link for my profile in the description, and do not forget to follow me. Yes, so we have a student joining in the class. A very good morning, students. So please do introduce yourself, students. Can I have who's joining me in the class? Right, so today we will be studying about mathematical statement, as I said. So let's have a quick study about the concept here. Now, mathematical reasoning is a basic part of the entire study of logic, students. Yes, good morning Aditi, welcome. So mathematical reasoning comes under the concept of logic, and you will be studying this mathematical reasoning in this class. Now there's something called as mathematical statement. Okay, we need to understand what a mathematical statement is. Mathematical statement is basically the basic unit of mathematical reasoning. So based on the mathematical statements, you will have the complete study here. Now you might be wondering what is the difference between normal statement and a mathematical statement, right? Any statement that you can evaluate either to be a true or a false one. Okay, whenever a statement is given to you, if you can say that this particular statement is true or this is false, in that case those statements will be considered as valid mathematical statements. Otherwise, those will be invalid mathematical statements. Okay? So keep in mind the statements which give you the value either true or false. These are called the mathematical statement here. Okay? So if you have a statement which is both true and false, okay, this is an ambiguity and it cannot be a mathematical statement. It should be either true or false and it cannot be both. Right, students? Keep this in mind. Any statement which is either true or false but not both. Okay? This is important again. Yes, is that okay? Did you all understand this concept of what is a mathematical statement? And when can I say a given statement is a valid statement or not? Right, then let me give you all the next concept that we have. A quick revision, students. We have two types of statement. So first of all, the first statement would be a simple statement. Any statement which cannot be broken down into two or more statements is said to be your simple statement, right? Something very simple is a simple statement here, which cannot be broken down into two or more statements. Now, what is a compound statement? Compound statement is a combination of two or more statements. Okay? As you study in chemistry, a compound, right? Same thing, compound statement is a combination of two or more simple statements here in this case. Now, in order to put together simple statements, to make them compound statements, we use particular or some words here. And these words which are used to connect or combine two or more simple statements, these are called as connectives, and we have a few connectives mentioned here which we will be referring. The most important one is and, or, if, then, if and then. Okay, the important ones are and, or, if, then, if and only, if and then. Okay, so these are the few of the connectives. Now coming down, there are few elementary operations in logic based on the nature how you put together the compound statement and what is the connecting word that we have used. The first one is conjunction. Okay, the first one here is the conjunction. Conjunction is nothing but when you have two simple statements, if these are put together with the connecting word and, it is called as the conjunction of the statement P and Q. If two simple statements are put together using the connecting word and, it is called as the conjunction, students. And how do we represent conjunction? This is the symbol used for the conjunction or the connecting word and. Right? I hope you guys followed what is conjunction. Now let's go to the next elementary operation that we have, that is disjunction. Disjunction is the combination of two simple statements, students, using the connecting word or. So when I have the connecting word or placed between the two simple statements, the statement that we obtain is the disjunction of the simple statements P and Q here, and it is represented using the symbol given here. Okay. Now the next one that we have is negation. Okay, negation is nothing but obtaining a statement which has the truth value opposite to that of the given statement. Okay, the truth value of the given statement is checked, and you make a sentence such that the truth value of the new statement obtained will be opposite to that of the initial statement given. This operation or the elementary operation here is called as the negation. So if you have a statement P, its negation will be denoted using this symbol here. So we will be doing or dealing with conjunction, disjunction and negation in this class. Let's have a quick look at the conditional and biconditional sentence. We will be looking at these concepts in the upcoming session that I would be taking. Now what is conditional sentence? If you have two sentences P and Q, and if they are connected with the phrase if and then, okay, If two sentences P and Q, if they are connected with the phrase if and then it is called as the conditional sentence of P and Q, and this is represented in this way. And the next one that we have is biconditional sentence or by implication. If two simple sentences, students, if they are connected using the word if and only if, okay, if two simple sentences are connected with the connecting word that is if and only if, this is called as the biconditional sentence, and you will have the symbol that is P if and only if Q. Okay, this would be the symbol that would be used for by implication here. Right, so let's do few of the questions now, students. Based on the questions, let's see how much you are grasping the concept here. So here you have the first question now. Which of the following is a statement? Students, this is your question now. Can you all give me the answer in the chat box? What do you think? Which of the following is a statement here in this case? We are discussing about mathematical reasoning, and in mathematical reasoning, mathematical statement is a statement which will give you a value either true or false, right? So look at the options given here. Which of the following option will give you a value which is true or false? Can I have your answers in the chat box, students? Yes, can you all give a try? So look at the option A. X is a real number, right? You have here X is a real number. Option B, switch off the fan. Option C, 6 is a natural number. And option D, let me go. Yes, the right answer is going to be the option C. Okay, if you look at the option B and D, students, it is a normal command that you let me go, switch off the fan. You cannot say if this is true or false. Now coming down here, X is a real number. X is a variable if you consider here. You do not know what is the value that X is taking here. So we cannot determine if X is a real number or not. We cannot say if this is true or false. Okay. Look at the option number 6. Option C. It is given 6 is a natural number, which is true, right? 6 is a natural number. So here in this case, the right answer will be your option C. Right? So let us proceed. Let me give you all the next question here, students. The connective in the statement Earth revolves round the sun and moon is a satellite of the Earth. This is your next question. Right? Give me the answer, student. Which is the connective that is used here in the sentence? Now what is connective? It is the phrase or the word which is used to put together two simple statements. Right? So the sentence given here is Earth revolves round the sun and moon is a satellite of the Earth. So which of the following option is a connective used here in this sentence? Yes, can I have your answers in the chat box? Yes, that's the right answer, Aditi. Option D is the right answer. So as you see, the first sentence that you have here, Earth revolves round the sun. It is a mathematical statement. You can give the value as true, right? The next one is moon is a satellite of the Earth. This is also a particular statement where you can answer true or false. So these two statements are put together using and is a connective that we have. So the right answer for this question will be the option D here. Good. So other students also give a try to the question. Students, you can leave your answers in the live chat there. I will be able to see your answers. So do attempt, students, give a try to these questions here. So here you have the next question now, students. The connective used in the sentence, in the statement here is which of the following? So you have 2 plus 7 greater than 9 or 2 plus 7 less than 9. This is a statement, mathematical statement that we have. So what do you think? Which of the following option is the connective used here? Yes, can I have your answers, students? So here 2 plus 7 is greater than 9. It is equal to 9, right? Of course the statement is false. Looking at the next mathematical statement, 2 plus 7 which is 9, 9 is less than 9, this is also false. So these two mathematical statements are put together with the word or. So the word or is a connective here. Yes Aditi, that's the correct answer there. Good going. So option B is the right answer for this question. So yes students, I hope you guys are following this. So let's proceed. Yes Prasun Rai, option B is the right answer. So here you have the next sentence, next question students. Which of the following is not a statement? Okay, we are discussing mathematical statements. So what do you think? Which of the following is not a statement here in this case? Can you all give me the answers in the chat box? Your option A is smoking is injurious to health. Option B is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Option C is 2 is the only even prime number. Option D is come here. So what will be the right answer here in this case? Yes Prasun, yes Aditi, can I have your answer students? What will be the right answer here? Which of the following is not a statement? Look at the options. Smoking is injurious to health. You can say that's true. Option B, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is also true. Option C, 2 is the only even prime number. Right? That's also true. Wherein come here, you cannot evaluate the same true or false. So this cannot be a mathematical statement. And for the given question, this will be the right answer here. Yes, right Aditi. So here you have the next question students. The negation of the statement, a circle is an ellipse, is which of the following option? Your option A is an ellipse, is a circle. Option B, an ellipse is not a circle. Option C, a circle is not an ellipse. Option D, a circle is an ellipse. So, give a try to this question. Which option do you think is the right answer? You're asked for the negation of the statement, right? Remember while you look for the negation of the statement. So, basically, you will have the word no, not introduced. Also you can have the phrase like it is false that. Okay, so these are the three different ways that you could bring in the negation of a statement. Here you're given the statement as a circle is an ellipse. So if I have to take the negation of this, I need to introduce a word like no, not, or I could also use a phrase that is it is false that. So here in this case the right answer would be a circle is not an ellipse, and this is given to you as your option C students. So the option C will be the right answer for this question here. Yes, are you all following with this students? Did you all understand this? The right answer here in this case is going to be the option C, that is a circle is not an ellipse. Right, then let's proceed with the next question. Here's the next question. The negation of the statement 7 is greater than 8 is which of the following option? Okay, you have the next question here. The negation of the statement 7 is greater than 8 is which of the following option? So give your answers students in the live chat. What do you think would be the correct answer here? You are asked for the negation of the statement and the given statement is 7 is greater than 8. Yes? Which option do you all think is the right answer here? Yes, Aditi, Prasud, any guesses? What will be the right answer for this question? Yes, that's the right answer. Option B, 7 is not greater than 8. So these are all the exemplar questions, students. At times we have seen the exemplar questions do appear for the KCET paper. So I hope you guys are following the questions and the answers. So I'm making a point to cover up the questions from the exemplar on the priority. So here is the next question. The negation of the statement 72 is divisible by 2 and 3 is which of the following option? Your question or the statement is 72 is divisible by 2 and 3. So you are asked for the negation of this statement, right? You have a conjunction, students. Basically the given sentence is a compound sentence here. I could take this as 72 is divisible by 2 and the other one, right? My statement P can be 72 is divisible by 2 and the statement Q can be 72 is divisible by 3. Yes, and if you look, there is a conjunction, there is a word and used here, right? So whenever you are asked for the negation of the conjunction, students, between your statement P and Q, so this will be equal to negation of P, disjunction, negation of Q, okay, and will be replaced by or, and you will have negation of statement P and negation of statement Q, which is put together with the or there. So the negation of statement P will be 72 is not divisible by 2. Negation of Q will be 72 is not divisible by 3. So the negation of the given question here will be 72 is not divisible by 2 or 72 is not divisible by 3. So the option A is the right answer for the given question here. Yes, Aditi, you did manage to get the right answer. Good. So keep this relation in mind, students. Negation of P conjunction Q will be equal to negation of P, disjunction, negation of Q. Okay. Now suppose if I have to give you the other way round, what about negation of P, disjunction Q? Okay. What about negation of P, disjunction Q? This will be equal to negation of P, conjunction, negation of Q. Okay. Or will be replaced by and you will have negation of P and negation of Q here in this case. So make a note of both the results, students, that we just discussed in relation to the negation part here. Right. So let us proceed with the next question here. So you have the next question, that is the negation of the statement plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen is which of the following option? So clearly this is a compound statement, students, and the connecting word used here is and. You have a conjunction of two statements, right? So when you are taking the negation of P and Q, this will be equal to negation of P or negation of Q, that is disjunction between negation of P and negation of Q. So give a try to this question. Which of the following option do you think is the right answer? The statement P here in this case is plants take in carbon dioxide and the statement Q is plants give out oxygen. Yes, Negation of statement P here in this case is plants do not take in carbon dioxide, and you have the connecting word or, and then you have do not give out oxygen. Yes, so the right answer here in this case will be the option B. Okay, this is going to be the right answer for the given question here. So I hope you guys are following this. Let's do one more question on the same, students. So here you have the question, the negation of the statement Rajesh or Rajni lived in Bangalore. Okay, your statement is Rajesh or Rajni lived in Bangalore. So the negation of the statement will be which of the following option? So here this is also a compound statement. Okay, Rajesh lived in Bangalore is your statement P, and the statement Q will be Rajni lived in Bangalore. So basically you are given disjunction here and you are asked for the negation of disjunction. You have the connecting word or, right? So this will be equal to negation of P and negation of Q. Right, students, you have the disjunction and the negation of it asked here. So this is going to be negation of P and negation of Q. So what is the negation of the statement P? The statement P was Rajesh lived in Bangalore. So its negation will be Rajesh did not live in Bangalore. Okay. The statement Q is Rajni lived in Bangalore. Its negation will be Rajni did not live in Bangalore. And you have the conjunction, that is and word should be used here. So the right answer would be Rajesh did not live in Bangalore and Rajni did not live in Bangalore. Yes, the option C will be the right answer for this question. Right, so let me give you another question. Here you go, students, the next question for this class now. The negation of the statement 101 is not a multiple of 3. What do you think? Which of the following option is the right answer? Yes, what do you think is the right answer, students? The question is, negation of the statement 101 is not a multiple of 3. So you already have the term not given in the statement. So look for the term which does not include, like the opposite value. So here in this case, the negation of this statement will be 101 is a multiple of 3. Okay, negation of this will be 101 is a multiple of 3, and yes, option A is the right answer for this question. Yes, I hope you guys are following the questions and the answers, students. If you're liking my class, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and do check out for the link to my profile given in the description below. Do click on the link, students, and do follow me on the Unacademy platform, and do join me in the special classes that I will be taking up for the KCET preparation. So students, on our platform we have started the daily T20, which is a free practice for KCET examination. Daily you will find a paper coming up for the different subjects there where you can practice and prepare for your examination. So this has already started on 2nd of November. If you haven't enrolled yet, please do check out for this free practice course under a Plus platform, and do enroll and practice for your KCET examination. This is going to be for free, so do explore this, do join in. Apart from that, the Champions batch for KCET preparation is also live on a platform, students. Now to get access to the batch preparation courses, you will have to enroll yourself with a Plus platform. To get a Plus subscription, the link to the Plus subscription is given in the description of this lecture. Do click on the link and do explore the Plus subscription offers that we have. You could take up the subscription for a month, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months, and do join us in any of these batch preparation courses. Apart from that, all the educators will be live students with different topics, so you have the freedom to access the classes of all top educators on our platform. So as I said, we have different subscriptions, right, for 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, and also for 24 months. Apart from that, we have different batch preparation courses, a comprehensive batch, and then we have the champions batch which is dedicated to be taken up in Kannada language specifically. So all of this is possible, and apart from that, you also have other benefits to opt your plus subscription. So do join me in my plus classes today evening at 4 o'clock as I discuss the concepts of vector and three-dimensional geometry. Yes, it's time for me to wind up this session here, students. I hope you guys have subscribed to our YouTube channel, Unacademy KCET. If not, do subscribe right away and do press the bell icon to keep yourself updated with all the classes that will be happening here on the platform. Have a very good day, and I will see you soon with one more class on mathematical reasoning on our platform in the upcoming days. So till then, take care and be safe, and let's crack KCET 2021-2022 with Unacademy, India's largest learning platform.